Using this government website, you can really look at the different industries for lesson 3, where you're trying to investigate the different variety of industries in the area, which might play a part in your final design and your application for investment. But it does have some other features too. But for the first part of the activity you're going to be looking at is really the breakdown of businesses and how they're changing over time. Okay, you can see on this one here, there's quite a steady growth from 2015 to 2019. But you can also see what the type of industries is too. So by going to industry breakdown, it tells you where those jobs are. Okay, look at them, maybe look at areas where there's not many. That's something you could develop more, or you could play to your strength and say having further developed in something that's doing very well. That's up to you. Now, there is another part in this activity where you need to compare it with some other suburbs. So you then need to go type in here, say Kew, okay, and it has the same bits of information. It has the industries, how it's actually changed. So if I have a look here, that shows me the number of businesses in the industry breakdown, just like on the last one too. Now, one of the other good things and what I like about this particular website too, you can have a look at the transport. Now, there are some other activities to use this, but you can look at how well connected some of these are too, by looking at the bus stops, etc. And one of the other things you can do, if I just go back through the overview, is look at some of the other facilities in the area too. Again, it's not just looking at what there is, but perhaps what gaps there are within the suburb too. It might be great having lots of great network of public transport, but maybe it's lacking in some of the education or the recreational areas and green space areas when you select it there. Okay, look at the hospitals, for instance. So lots you can use this particular website for, but for lesson 3 in particular, you're mainly focusing on the different industries.